If you're looking to hide some photos or videos in an album, and this is on your Galaxy A55 smartphone, here's where you can go to do this. I'll show you how to go about doing this, and let's get started. Before I continue, just so you know, this is a low security way of hiding your photos and videos. Anyone can access it for as long as they can get into your phone. However, if you still want to hide some items from the public view, you'll want to make sure you are in the gallery app of your Samsung phone, which is the Samsung Gallery app. Once you enter in here, you need to first create an album with all those videos and all those photos. And this will only work if you have created it. You cannot hide the camera album here, because it won't allow you to do that. So first create the album that you want to hide all the photos in and all that stuff in. So let's just say you got some kind of naughty photos of your new phone and you want to hide them. So go ahead and select them. Then you want to go to where it says create or go to more. And then you can choose to move it or copy it. Now, if you want to hide those photos, I would recommend you go with move, because then it's going to move it completely into that other album. So when you do this here now, you'll see the create option. And when you do that, you can name that album. Okay, so I'm just going to call it Secret 1. All right, I did one a while ago as a demonstration. So we'll create it. It's creating an album for you now. So once you've done creating that album, you need to go to where it says albums down here. Once in this section here, if you don't see the one you just created, you can select view all to see it. And when you see that album here, that's now the created album. So in order to actually hide that album, you want to tap on the three dots up here at the top, and you will see that hide albums option. Once you go here, you will see a list of all the albums on your phone. And what you can do now is turn it on. And you'll notice how this one doesn't let you hide it. So that's why you need to create an album of those things you want to hide. So I'll turn this on now, and this is now going to be hidden away from the public view. And whenever you're ready to view this album again, you'll go back to those three dots, go back to hide albums, and turn this off so that it can reappear in the public view again, which is this one right here. Like and sub.